Okay, cleanse your nostrils. In the pranayama, the most important thing is keeping your both nostrils clean. Just try to make sure both nostrils are clean. The strong breathings. Okay, let's do Kapalabhati. 60 rounds per minute, active exhalation and passive inhalation. You can start with 30 rounds and slowly increase 60. Okay. When you exhale, pull your stomach inside. Keep your body constant, straight, neck and spinal straight. Inside you count 60 rounds. At least try to do 2 minutes of this breathing every day, morning and evening. Gradually increase up to 60 rounds. Last 10 breaths with the forceful breathings. Breathe out quickly. Active exhalation, passive inhalation. Relax. Relax and observe. Keep your eyes closed. Do not open eyes and observe your breath. You can feel the Kevala Kumbhak Sthiti, automatic cessation of your breath. Calmness in your breath and calmness in your mind. Now Bhastrika Pranayama. Take a deep breath. Raise your hands. Exhale, long exhale. And pull your hands down and close your fist. Deep inhale, raise your hands, open your palms. Long exhale. Close your fist. Deep inhale, long exhale. బాగా శ్వాస తీసుకోవాలి పైకి, చేతులు పైకి ఎత్తు, ఆరు చేతుల తర్వాత మెల్లగా వదులుతూ పూర్తిగా శ్వాసను వదులుతూ చేతుల కిందకి తీసుకురావాలి, పిటికలు బిగించాలి. 30 rounds per minute, నిమిషానికి 30 సార్లు. $60. $80. $100. Deep inhale, long exhale. Gradually slow down. Deep inhale, keep eyes closed, do not open eyes. Observe the top of the head. Experience the cosmic energy flow from your Sahasrara chakra. Feel that you're taking in. Relax completely and keep observing and absorbing that energy. Feel the prana shakti. Prayerfully pray that universal energy. Om pranasjedam vase sarvam tridive yat pratishtitam matenu putrasya rakshasva Sri cha prajna cha videhi naiti. Continue observing the top of the head and absorbing that energy. The whole universe is under control of prana. You do the sadhana, asana, pranayamas. You are eligible to receive that abundant energy. The prana can cure everything. Prana can bring you wonderful energies, real health and wealth, prajna, the talent and the true knowledge. Now Anulam Vilam Pranayama. With the right hand, close your right nostril, right thumb. Exhale with left. Inhale deeply with left nostril. Close your left nostril, exhale with the right nostril. Inhale with right. Exhale with left. Inhale with left. Exhale with right. Right, exhale with left. Inhale with left, exhale with right. Inhale with right, exhale with left. Continue another 3 rounds. Slowly. Keep eyes closed, do not open eyes. Complete observation. Relax, release mudra. Keep your mind entirely focused on the Paramatma. Pure, the divine state of the mind. Experience the wonderful energy throughout your body and throughout your spinal. Scan your spinal from the bottom of spinal to the top of the head. Now Ujjayi Pranayama, throat breathing. Do Mula Bandha, pull your hands up and then tight up your throat. Make a small pipe with a snoring sound to the long inhalations and long exhalation. Inhale with both nostrils, exhale with the left nostril. Relax, release mudra.